So still on the mission, conquer those fast questions. We are yet given the instruction of filling in the blank spaces with the correct word from A to E. And our 21st question is, the child has no respect, dash. And our options are on, about, with, to, and for. So which of these prepositions fit into the gap? Now, for is a preposition used to direct at. So when you are wanting or aiming to direct at a particular thing, that is, if you're intending to or belong to, indicating character of or as being. Do you understand that? Okay, let me explain it. Now we use for when we're trying to say that something belongs to a particular thing or group or category, or when we're indicating character of. Okay, when we're indicating character of. And in this instance, in this case, we're talking about character of. So we're talking about respect, and respect is an attribute of character, right? It's a character, respect. So it is something that qualifies for character. So the question, the child has no respect for. It could be for elders, it could be for his parents, it could be for anyone older than he is, right? Respect is usually for older people. So the child has no respect for whoever. Okay, so respect is, what am I saying? For is the correct preposition that will fit or that should fit into the blank space. So we have it for as our correct answer, option E. The child has no respect for. And our 22nd question, Mr. Olu traveled bus to Kano last month. And our options are by, with, on, for, and wrong. Wrong. Is that a word? That sounds like a computer. That sounds like a computer word. Okay, so Mr. Olu traveled by bus to Kano last month. Now, you would ask me, why are we going with by? Why should by be the correct answer? Why should it be the correct word? Now, by is used to indicate means, okay? It's used to indicate means. Means of traveling, means of transportation, for example. Means of doing something, anything, for example. I killed it by hitting it on the head. Okay? I killed the snake by hitting it on the head. So that shows the means by which you killed the snake. You killed it by hitting it on the head. But in this case, for this sentence, we're talking about means of transportation. And Mr. Olu traveled by bus to Kano last month. So we go with by as a correct answer. Our option is A, by. Mr. Olu traveled by bus to Kano last month. Okay, our 23rd question says, the girl said that she was going to take care dash her younger sister. Care what? Her younger sister. And our options are of, by, to, with, and on, which is correct. Now we use of as, okay, how do I say it? Take care of is actually like a tristar. It is like a transitive verb. It is a transitive verb, not like a transitive verb. Take care of is a transitive verb. It's like 3 words that usually go along, okay? So they're always strung together. Take care of. These 3 always strung together. So they work together. They go wherever they go. They always go together. So take care of is a transitive verb, which means that the trio accompany themselves by a subject in a sentence. Okay? So you cannot say, I will take care of you. I will take care by you. I will take care in you. I will take care with you. No way. That's absurd. So the correct word is of. Okay, so it goes at, will take care of, she will take care of. Okay, so the trio, the 3 words, take care and of, go together. Okay, so please take note of that. And we have it, or option A, of. Our 24th question is, I am quite sure that your teacher will be promoted this year. And our options are that, what, which, why, and when. Which would we go with? Which do we go with? Now that is a conjunction used to express a wish, hope, or desire in a sentence. So we use that usually when we want to express a wish. I am quite sure that I will be a doctor by the end of next year. I am quite sure that I will build a house by the end of next year. I am sure that I will be a Nickelodeon star by the end of next year. What? You don't think I can be? Well, I think I can be. I could just audition for Harry Danger. Yeah, I could actually feature in one of Harry Danger series. You know, I could be selected. So the correct answer, like I said earlier, is that. We use that to express a wish, a hope, or desire in a sentence. So we have it in option A, that. I'm quite sure that our teacher will be promoted this year. Okay, so what's our 25th question? Mosquitoes will disappear as the rainy season dash. Okay, option A, began. Option B is beginning. Option C, begin. Option D, begins. Option E, will begin. Confusing, isn't it? Confusing, confusing. So let's start it all. Don't worry, just breathe in, out. We'll get that sorted out, okay? So begins is the plural form of begin. And in this case, the rainy season is actually a season of rain. So that means during the rainy season, we don't expect just one rainfall. We expect multiple rainfalls during that season. As days go by, as weeks go by, we expect plentiful of rainfall. So begins is the plural form of begin. So rainy season is like a plurality because it's not just one rain. During this rainy season, it rains a lot. So begins would be the correct answer because the rainy season comprises of a series of rainfalls. So we go with begins. And we can now safely say that mosquitoes will disappear as the rainy season begins. Okay? As the rainy season begins. And with that, we come to the end of the video. Do not forget to reach out to us at our website www.prepclassNG. You can reach out to us through our tele number 090-353-21117. That's 341. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. We can reach out. You can reach out on WhatsApp. You can reach out everywhere. We're everywhere. Or you can drop your comments. Remember, don't forget to drop your comments. Say what you feel and share our videos. Let's see what your friends think about us. Okay, let's see how cool we are. Let's see how cool we are. Alright, so that's it. Subscribe. Remember, don't forget, subscribe so you get to have access to our loads of videos, you get to participate in our quizzes, and you get to know everything going on the PrepClass educational online platform. Did I say that well? PrepClass educational online platform? PrepClass educational. Okay, I think that's it. PrepClass educational online platform. Okay, so you get notified about everything and anything going on. Alright, so be my guest. Till then, till our next video that is, which is pretty good coming up shortly after this. I look forward to learning with you in our successive videos. I want you to stay safe, stay happy, stay strong. Bye.